Envision a future where today's youth are breaking down barriers and ensuring society embraces diversity and equality. What do you feel or how do you feel about it? We live in a diverse world rich with alternating perspective and worldviews, and it is important that everyone feels safe and able to voice their views. So that means diversity and inclusion does matter, but there are some benefits to having good inclusivity. For example, it lets people speak up, innovate, share new ideas, and help others without risk. Before I go any further, let's take a dive into history. Do you remember what happened on 28 October? It is celebrated as Youth Pledge Day, or known as Sumpah Pemuda. It started with uniting the youth and all Indonesian people to defend their homeland. Youth today is much more critical than before. Now youth, especially in Indonesia, are much more active in expressing opinions and making decisions. They are also more analytical about events in Indonesia, which also help open people's mind. For example, now students in Indonesia have a more open mindset. They are also willing to take risks to demonstrate and voice their opinions, Indonesian people for the fair and beneficial state decisions. As we can see, youth is something that is very influential, especially in this generation. Even when looking back at history, youth nowadays isn't something you should underestimate. Have you ever heard the expression of no youth, no nation? Lack of justice for youth can ruin entire nations. Since the majority of the population is young, they are our future and there will be no nation if we keep underestimating our youth. Based on statistics, Indonesia is home to a bright young population with over 64.16 million individuals, comprising 23.18% of the nation's population. Youth is one of the key to leveraging demographic bonus to realize Indonesia's vision to become a developed country. Obviously, we can see that our youth is not something to be underlooked. In my opinion, today's youth plays an important role in encouraging inclusion in every aspect of life. Their open-mindedness to other perspectives and understanding, including diversity, along with their ability to bond with people amongst different cultures and how their identities allow them to build bridges, connect with other people across different countries. Youth within this generation are more exposed to social media. Therefore, they are able to understand others' opinions through social media, gaining more experience on inclusivity. This will help youth make an impact and difference in inclusion. Hence, we should realize that this generation has a different perspective and worldviews and is able to provide the inclusivity this world is missing. Thank you for your attention.